Harbor Freight's most overlooked deals. Every week, I see Harbor Freight talking heads, and we're talking about impact wrenches, socket sets, compressors, and the newest cordless tools. Don't get me wrong, I like those videos because I buy tools just like everybody else. But today, I wanted to do something a little bit different. I walked right past the power tool aisle. Instead, I picked out 15 Harbor Freight products that most shoppers barely notice. They're the kinds of products that help organize your garage, make yard work easier, simplify do-it-yourself projects, and solve everyday problems. Some are dollar days or super coupon pricing, so if something catches your eye, don't wait too long. Let's start with two products that really belong together. This Hallmaster E-Track tie-off strap is only $5 during dollar days. By itself, it doesn't look like much, but pair it with Harbor Freight's 1-foot E-Track rail, and you started one of the most versatile storage systems they sell. Most people think E-Track is only for enclosed trailers. I think it's just as useful in the garage. Mount a few rails beside your workbench, on a garage wall, or inside a shed, then snap in hooks, D-rings, and holders wherever you need them. Hang extension cords, air hoses, ladders, shovels, rakes, or battery chargers. When your garage changes, your storage changes with it. Now that we've got somewhere to hang tools, let's organize everything else. The Yukon 5-tier shelving unit isn't flashy, but every garage eventually runs out of floor space. Paint, automotive fluids, garden supplies, cleaning products, and tool cases all need a home. Good shelving saves time because you can actually find what you're looking for. The Storehouse 45-bin organizer is another product that pays for itself. If you've ever spent 10 minutes poking for one screw, one wire connector, or one hose clamp, you know exactly why this makes sense. 40 removable bins and a full-width drawer keep the little things from becoming a big mess. Another inexpensive favorite is the Bauer bucket tool bag. Slip it over standard 5-gallon bucket and suddenly you've got storage pockets all the way around, and inside still carries tools and supplies. It's great for painting, plumbing, electrical work, gardening, or just carrying the basics around the house. Let's move into a few shop essentials. Good extension cord isn't exciting, but you'll use it every weekend. This Vanguard 25-foot 12-gauge cord is built for heavier loads, has a lighted end so you know that you've got power. This is important before you start troubleshooting. The central machinery magnetic sweeper is one of those tools you don't appreciate until you need it. Finish a roofing job, spill a box of screws, or drop nails in the driveway. Instead of crawling around on your hands and knees looking, just roll this across the area and let the magnet do the work. If you work on tires, the Matic's 4-way valve stem tool deserves a place in your toolbox. It removes valve cores, repairs threads, helps with routine tire maintenance. It's very inexpensive, but it can save a lot of frustration. Don't overlook the Thunderbolt Edge batteries either. Flashlights, remotes, shop radios always seem to need batteries. At the worst possible time, of course. I like keeping extras around, and these are pretty good batteries. Now let's head outside. The Greenwood backpack sprayer makes spraying weeds, fertilizer, or insect control much easier because the weight rides on your back instead of on one arm. If you've got a garden or acreage, you'll appreciate the difference. Pair that with the Greenwood 50-foot garden hose. A dependable hose gets used constantly for watering, washing equipment, and cleaning around the house. It's one of those simple purchases that earns its keep. If you've got trees, the Portland electric pole saw is a handy homeowner tool. It's perfect for trimming those branches that are just out of reach without dragging on a ladder for every little job. The Badland 48-inch farm jack isn't for everybody, but if you own a tractor, Jeep, trailer, side-by-side, it's one of those tools that you'll be glad you have when you actually need it. Here's another inexpensive item, the Grant's Dirt Guard. If you wash your own vehicles, it helps keep the dirt at the bottom of the bucket instead of back on your washing mitt. This reduces the chance of scratching your paint. Finally, let's finish with the Apache protective case. Most people see a rifle case, I see protection for cameras, drones, electronics, measuring equipment, precision tools, or anything valuable you don't want to get damaged, and of course rifles. The customizable foam makes it easy to fit your gear, and compared to the premium brands, it's an outstanding value and comes in many more sizes. Those are 15 Harbor Freight products that you don't usually get the spotlight, but they're the exact kinds of items that make projects easier and your garage more organized. Let me know in the comments which one you think is the best value, or tell us about another Harbor Freight product that deserves more attention. If you've enjoyed this different kind of Harbor Freight video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. If you're new to 63 and Counting Toolbox, I'd love to have you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And until then, y'all take care.